So now we have in US 10 the same link which we did this one. Okay, we'll start, finish it is working, modeling. First we should make save. Okay, so we put the size first in link, finger size in US 10. Create. Okay, it's a US 10 if you see here, US 10, but I want to use grasshopper gold, digigold layers, which this one, and save. Then the most easy way, I will take this profile which we did already, Ctrl C, and put here. More better we make hide the planes or the grids. Okay, and even the gumball. I will change the color of the cross which I make it. I did, and lock it. 1 minute. Change the color. Okay. Wait, now I take it and click on move. It open the snaps. Okay, like this. And click on sweep 1 in surface tools. And voila, we finished. If we see something not good here, we can try to use what like maybe. Okay, I think it's good. Change the color. Oops. Okay. Or maybe more better. Or okay. Make this color. Save. I will put in MG Shiny so I can see the ISO curves, all viewports. Then we'll take this one, put here. I think the place is not well. We'll try another one again. The first one already we used sweep 1. 2 point. Now with sweep 2, we'll do this one. Okay, more better you put check mark on the maintain height. No. You see which one more better? This one, the main one. Okay. Now we'll check the surface. Yes, this one good. Okay, so we change the color to here. This one will make delete the old one. Now close the curves. Even this one, you don't need it. You can hide or keep in another layer. Then we extract the ISO curves. Both places. Okay, we put diamonds. Now I will make more easy way. The simple way. I put 15, 1.5 because the diamond sizes. Okay, one here and another one here. So a little bit I will make out a little bit, and if I see here around 19.19, it's okay. Save. Top one, maybe we can make a little bit like this. It's okay. Well, a little bit to up. I make a little bit to up. Now we'll change the color and try to put a gap like here. If you see here, in US6, around the gap between 25 and we'll use record history more better with polar array for in the matrix gold, and I put 0 location. Let's try 37 and we'll check the gap. It's too much. Close the snaps. Now instead of 37 we'll try to 39 maybe. Okay, it's good, not bad. Okay, so on the top now we'll take it, try, I don't know how much, but I will try as 39. Only I will check here, it's there is more gap here. It's like it's the same, almost the same. There is too much here gap, so I will put more diamonds. Polar array, instead of 39 I will try to put 42 maybe. We'll check. Yes, I think good. Okay, well, and then save. For the prong, even you see here, we used here already for each prong, each diamond 4 prongs separately. So I will take the first one. I will click here. 0.5 good, I think, as we did. The height also more better here. 0.5, height 0.5, diameter 0.5, and come try to put like this, maybe with record history. And like this with alt and drag. Okay. Sorry, I take the wrong one. put here a late time. Okay. You can do even on the reduce mirror. Okay, you can take on the center and even like this, up or in center. So now maybe I think a little bit we can this pull to out. Okay. Okay, now I will take it, make group and polar array with 42. Okay. So we'll try to change the color on group and try to a little bit make inside it. Yes, it's good. Okay, it's similar like this, estimately. Well, okay, we can also make a little bit okay, a little bit high, 0.5 outside. Yes, more better. Okay, now we finished. We make here on the front like this is around even 4 prongs. Here you see it's near, here far from each other. Sorry. Here near and here far. Okay, close the snap, more better. Okay, 39 diamonds already for the dark blue. Mirror. Okay, now we'll take the 4-1, make group and polar array with 39. Okay, now I will take it and press ungroup. If there is something modified, we'll do it already. A bit to top, even more. Okay, beautiful. We did it. Group and save. So more better, a little bit make out 0.5 mm. Because of record history, we earn a lot of time, okay, and energy. So now we can make save and save as. Section 2. Now we can make drill by cutters. cutters. Okay, I already have here the options. I make it, create. I don't know why I don't see it. Try again. Ah, sorry. Now it's good. Create. Okay. Oh, before it's create, more better. 1 minute, I will delete it. Okay. It's more better here. I will make the sharpness a little bit less. Okay. I will let the diamond setter here make the drill, and even here group select the same idea settings, so we have all make it only we should drill now with boolean difference here and here. Okay, voila, we finish it. I make it group for can work more easy. You see, we finish it. Finished. So it's not take much time. Now I will save as 3DM. US10, US10, 3DM. Okay. And again, I will save as STL, US10, STL. It's a good, more better 003, the units of smooth mesh, triangulated. Okay, in binary mode. It's okay. Before also we have the same problem issue. We want to make flipped. It will take time. Okay, you see that normals, you click automatic fix, it will invert or flip to normal direction. Okay, there's no problem. Now we can make click on follow advice update. And click one shell unit, unify, I mean, unify to one shell. Okay, I see, I think there is a little bit, okay, automatic fix. this is we preparing for 3D printer. Okay, so you have the 3D print works or resin, and then you can cast in any gold or platinum or silver or any metals, jewelry metals, or you can make directly molding or injected lost works cast. Okay, so now we have only unify. And voila, we finished. It's a one shell, one object, 1 unit. Right click, save as, again, more sure. Okay, we finished. Thank you. So you see in my Patreon, you can join as a membership. You will see all private job works recorded. You can earn, gain experience, tips and tricks from my work. Okay, I'm already jewelry goldsmith since 1991 till now, 3D modeling. From Patreon, you can see in the YouTube links. Okay, you can join in membership. I put every time designs, tutorials, work designs, and here you can, from Jewelry 3D Studio website, my main website, you can buy any design in 3DM file or STL, and you can use in even OBJ, but without materials you will put it, but it's a prepared for render. You can use for any commercial websites, the sites or portfolio or medias or even marketplaces. Okay, there is a lot of designs. Even Jewelry 3D Shop, you will see the link. These all tutorials, $3, $7, $5, like this. Okay, this one $7, the 9 hours video. You will see how I work. This one it's a $3, I think. Yes, how I did. You can see it. Okay, and here in Jewelry 3D Club also you can be members, even for jewelry works in 3D modeling. You see live my works or even recorded videos. You will gain experience. And here, if you see, there is a $7 per month, $9, $15. This one, you can buy any designs from here. Okay, I'm already uploading. With automated discount, automated. Okay, if you be here, you join here, you will have $7 per month. You have 15% here, 25 here, 15%. 16, 17, until 70% you have discounts in 3DM STL files, only for $25 per month. Automated, as much as you want, you can buy, and every month I am uploading new designs. Okay, so you have here many websites. You can see your options. Even if you want one-on-one live session, you can purchase anyone by Google Meet. I can advise you in work or anything you want to learn, or you want any techniques or solve any issue. Okay, thank you. You see all links on my links on my YouTube. Thank you.